today this is my project. Today my project is a hydraulic crane. It works with air and you can use it with water also. I made it with wire casings for the frame, a box for the project base, 2 syringes, an IVR kit. I used a drip kit for the pipe and syringe connector. Then I used strings, thermocol sheet, glue, cellotape and nuts and bolts. So this is where I put the wire casings. This is where I put the wire casings. It goes down into the box and a box. This is the box. Then I use 2 syringes. This and one is here. If you can see it, one is here. This is the drip kit. Most of it, me and my father cut it because we didn't need it. And the thermocol is here, thread is here, and if you can see, the nut and bolt is here. This is the nut here and the bolt is here. Here is the bolt. It works with air as I told. You just have to, this is where I connected it, it's a connector. I did like this, it goes through here and comes to this cylinder. So if I press this thing will go up. If now it's going up. If I pull it backwards, it will go down. You can put a thing like a light. It's a bicycle light. You can keep it here. Push this button. Push it up and up. And then just pull it back down. There you go. This is a hydraulic crane. You can use it for your project. In school, this is my project. It's a 5th standard project, but I am in 3rd standard and I like to make it. Thank you. And please subscribe down below with a comment. Thank you.